We're transforming this interior from outdated to outstanding. I'm showing you how to make your old Ram look and sound like a brand new truck. Let's dive in. A good way to upgrade your sound system in your 05 third gen Dodge that's got the funky den and a half plus some width radio in it. Mine came with the Infinity sound system. I think all the radios are the same size, that weird Dodge thing. We're gonna put this big, I don't know, is that a 9 or 10 inch? I can't remember. It's a joying head unit. It comes with a single DIN radio that uses these little snap plugs that plugs into the front of it and then uses a ribbon cable. The issue is when you get this snapped on, it goes in further than that. I don't want to snap it on because it's a pain to get unsnapped. Pretty well butts up through here, takes all that out, but you're still left with about that much visible stuff back there that you can see. So what I did is I went in and designed this little bracket, bezel I guess you'd say. Anyway, that bezel is going to fit right on there just like that. Then when you snap this on, it's going to pretty much look factory. I mean, it's going to go back further. It's going to go back and pretty much touch that little cover piece there that I printed out. You can mount a big touchscreen display. I actually got it in upside down. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, that looks a little better. You can put a big touchscreen display on your Dodge dash, and you can make it look good just with the little 3D printed bezel plate. And when I snap that back, it's going to go back about another ½ inch. I'll give you a shot of it when I get through. Another thing I forgot to tell you is if you do a double DIN, you got to cut all this dash stuff out of here. Who cares? It doesn't really do anything, but I really don't like cutting my truck unless I have to. And by putting a single DIN in, your single DIN is going to fit right in here real nice in the factory hole. And then when it comes out past the front of the dash bezel, then your big screen will snap on, and with that adapter plate, it's going to look really good. You'll see. Just hang around and watch. By using the single DIN radio and this Scotch mount, that's going to get you to this point, and then of course this is going to get you to the better looking point. So the upgrade is complete, and we have our joying head unit in the dash. You can tell that it worked out really well. There's our little adapter. Everything looks great. Those adapters, if you're interested in doing your truck like this, I will print you an adapter. Probably $10 plus shipping. If you want one, hit me up in the comments. We'll make it happen. Have a good day.